You ready? Go outside? Let's go. Let's go. Welcome back for another walk with Momma and Prince. Today I have no children. I only have a little Princey here. Come on. And we are walking on a lovely trail today. So he's very excited. So, lots going on this week, huh? I thought I would give a little snippet at the beginning of our walk instead of sneaking it in later or at the end. And so today I just wanted to talk about truth. Like being honest, telling the truth. And the other two times that I have spoken on our videos, I haven't prepared. I just went on a walk and I talked to you guys. Today, I said to Madeline, what should I talk about? She said, Mom, I think you should talk about telling the truth. So I'm gonna take her advice and do that. So, I think the reason why she picked that topic is because in our home, I have repeatedly told my children that I would never lie to them. Now that doesn't mean that I tell them everything about everything, but it means that they can trust what I say is truthful. Having an adopted son has been challenging for him because even though we have had Judah with us since he was 19 months old, he has a trust issue, which is understandable. He started off with a pretty rough life. So even yesterday he said something to me and I looked at him and I said, do I lie to you? And he said no. And I said, then you can trust that what I'm saying to you right now is true. I will not lie to you about that. Anyone else always forget what they're saying when they're saying it? Let's see if my brain will kick in and so yeah, hasn't kicked in yet. I have no idea what I was talking about. Well, I know I was talking about truth, but where was I? Oh, it's pitiful. And guess what? I'm not even gonna edit this out because if you talk to me in real life, you know that this happens all the time. Completely forget what I'm talking about. Well, anyway, I'm sure when I'm editing the video, then I'll know exactly what I wanted to say. But I guess my point is, if we teach our children that it's okay to lie sometimes or say things that aren't true sometimes, I personally just feel like then they have to gauge when we're actually being honest and when we aren't. I just want to encourage you to walk in honesty in your relationship so that the people you love and the people who love you can fully and completely trust that what you say to them is real and truthful and they can count on it, you know? I just feel like that brings such a healthy balance in a relationship. So anyway, that's my little snippet for the day. If you're struggling with being honest, even when it's embarrassing, even when, you know, you don't want to get in trouble, or you don't want to be set apart from everyone else for some reason because you did something wrong or whatever, just be honest. And if you need to apologize, apologize. And just start over. Try again. It's not the end of the world. There's very little in this world that's, you know, the end. Pretty much just death, right? Other than that, you know, just try again. Just get up. Try again. Anyway, I hope today's been a blessed day for you, and that you'll enjoy the rest of our walk together. Alrighty. Have a good day. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next trail.